Did you know big boats can weigh thousands of tons? To keep these boats safely moored in bad weather, they need a strong enough chain. So how is the boat anchor chain manufactured? Let's find out together in this video. The process of making giant anchor chains at the factory. The anchor chain is made of carbon alloy steel with high strength and good bearing capacity. Each original steel pipe is fed into the machine to cut into short pieces of equal length depending on the size and tonnage of the boat. These steel sections are also checked for iron components inside before being transferred to the production stage of shackles. The steel pipes that meet the standards of iron composition will be put into the furnace to start the forging process. The worker will use a hammer to beat continuously to drop the soot and also to shape the steel. During this process, it will be put into the mould and pounded from above with a 5-ton hammer to bend the steel block to form a chain shape. At each end of the chain, a hole should be made to insert the chain. The hole is made with a puncher, with a diameter equal to the diameter of the chain. This stage requires high dimensional accuracy, so it is done in batches by machines. Because the hole needs to be made in the correct position so that the chain can pass through easily. The hole needs to be deep enough for the chain to be inserted. The diameter of this bar is smaller than the anchor chain and the chain lock. The main raw material for manufacturing the bar is still steel with carbon alloy. The steel sections, after being cut short, are put on automatic line to be fired at high temperature. Steel, after red burning, is immediately transferred to cold water tap to increase hardness. This cooling step also helps to change the shape of the steel pipe using a double-ended press. Pressed ends make it easier to attach the crossbar to the chain ring. This process is fully automated by machines. This is the production stage of the chain. A chain is made by joining many links together. Long steel bar, after heating, is bent into a chain shape by machine. The first link will hook into the shackle and bend the rest, making sure the two ends match. To make sure not to slip, they will bring this chain to weld the two ends of the chain. Welding is done quickly by machine. Electric welding with high temperature causes sparks to splash. Very dangerous if someone is standing nearby. So after putting the chain into the welding machine, the workers have to hide in a hidden place. This stage is not finished yet. The weld is taken to smooth and remove excess coal. Finally, it will be fitted with a bar in the middle through the strong pressure of two large iron blocks. This process will be repeated continuously until the chain reaches the desired length. after completing the production stage of the anchor chain. The chain will be heat treated to increase its hardness, durability and resistance to corrosion and rust. The chain is bathed in phosphoric acid or immersed in a conductive solution that causes the remaining steel to separate from the chain. Magnetic test, also known as MT test, to look for cracks or other defects in ferrous materials. The MT test area is coated with a chemical to clean the surface to remove dirt that can interfere with the movement of particles on the surface. The engineer will then perform magnetization using the selected technique. To ensure the safety of the boat, the anchor chain needs to be thoroughly checked before leaving the factory. Check the chain for damage or rust. Chains must be made of high quality materials with good bearing capacity and not corroded by seawater. Check the size of the leash is suitable for anchoring the boat safely in inclement weather conditions. Check that the chain joints are fully welded and labelled. If the chain meets all of the above requirements, it can be shipped. Conversely, if the chain fails to meet the requirements, it must be repaired or discarded. So, we have learned together about the production process of steel anchor chains. I hope this video has provided you with useful information. If you find this video good, please like and subscribe to my channel to watch the next videos. I will try to bring you the best quality videos, and I'll see you in the next video.